Today we're going to talk about integrations. Blink is integrated with a number of tools, both natively as well as separately through our API. You can create your own integrations, or you can use any of the existing integration points, such as low-code tools like Zapier and Pabbly, or different tools like Chorus and Sprinkler. So we're going to talk about how those are integrated, different options that you have, and where you can find more information about that. So today, let's dig in, look through the platform a little bit, and I'll show you how to find this information. So again, going back to some of the native integrations. So once you get into Blink, you can connect us with Chorus. Their entire platform is integrated natively with Blink. So you can publish short links through any of their different tools and different options, be it live chat, through their service, marketing side, care, etc. So we have full integration with Chorus. We're also integrated natively with Sprinkler. So when you're publishing your links through Sprinkler, you can shorten those with Blink and have all the analytics and all the details in both platforms and do that seamlessly. We have customers who've integrated us with Salesforce, where they're using it through either SMS campaigns, where they're broadcasting real time through their CMS. They're doing real time integration for support, for scheduling. A number of customers have connected us through Salesforce in a variety of different ways. So it's a great way to connect us in your CRM directly out of your workflows that you have today. We've also have a number of different SMS providers that have connected with us. So we have customers that are using people like Twilio or other SMS providers where they're shortening those links before they go out. There's another video on that that talks to those more details and why you should use short links in your SMS campaigns. But whichever SMS provider you're using, in terms of creating that content and pushing that out to your customers, we can integrate with that and create that experience for you. So inside the platform itself, as we're digging into this, to find more information on the integrations, on the left-hand side, once you log in, you're going to go into the tools page here. So when I get into tools, we'll show some of the options here. So we have a Chrome browser extension. So you can have this extension right up here on the top, where you can actually create links directly from your browser extension without having to actually log into Blink. So you can create them on the fly, create those shortened links, and then share them directly through Twitter, through Facebook, through email, etc. I do that with the Chrome or with Firefox. We also have integration with Zapier and other local tools like Pabbly and Zoho and Integrately. So different ways to connect with us here. So you can integrate Blink smoothly through those, so that way it's all done natively through those tools. And what's great about no-code tools or low-code tools is that you can actually connect Blink with thousands of different applications. So if you look at all the different tools that Zapier and Integrately and Pabbly, et cetera, are connected with, there are over 1,000 tools in their ecosystem that you can create different automations with, and you can connect Blink to all of those. So anywhere in there that you would want to create a link, you can connect Blink into that process through those different tools and platforms. A great way to connect it in a super easy way without having to worry about code. We also have an iOS application. So if you want to look at your links on the go, if you want to shorten a link quickly, if you want to look at some quick information around analytics, or if you wanted to share one of those links, you can do that through the iOS app. It makes it really easy. We have a bookmarklet where you can, if you have a certain system where, say, the extensions aren't allowed, our bookmarklet allows you to create short links directly through your browser, similar to the extension, but allows you to kind of get around some of the challenges sometimes with installing extensions, or in certain cases where they're just not allowed or approved. We also have the ability looking at migrating links. So if you're looking at moving to Blink from another link management platform or the URL shortener, we have a number of ways for us to migrate links from other tools into Blink seamlessly so that you never miss a click in that single process. And a lot of times you'll hear, sometimes it might say that we can't export your links. There's no way to get that information. There's no way to transfer from one to the other. We've been able to migrate people from a number of different platforms when they were originally told that it wasn't possible. It was actually very simple for us to do that. And we've got a great system. We can walk you through that in more detail. So link migration is something that we do all the time, and we're really good at and happy to make that process smoother and easier for you. And then lastly, but most powerful, really digging into the Blink API. So when we look here, getting into the API itself, we have all the documentation online. You can dig into the details of different functions that you have, but everything from listing your domains to creating links to wanting to update links. You can add domains, user management. We can automatically provision and deprovision users. Looking at analytics, you can get information around clicked links, looking at different templates around UTM parameters, different custom analytics templates. So there's a large number of different options you have here, all these different endpoints. These are some around analytics. Really dig into the details. You can look at all the different options that you have here to work with. It's incredibly powerful. We have customers that have really created some amazing integrations that are doing things real time, all day long, 24 hours a day. creating their perfect link experience directly through this API. So the information is online. If you go to developers.bl.ink, or if you want to go to blink.engineer, it'll take you to our API documentation, and you can see all the information here, and super accessible and very easy to work with. And if any questions at all, please send us an email, help@bl.ink. Thank you very much.